What's poppin'? Welcome to Verum Artifex. Today we are here to showcase some capabilities, and I'm about to just go through the process, see if I can make it flow naturally, and I'm gonna just showcase what we're about to do. So we're outside today, getting some beautiful sunlight. So appreciative. Thank you so much for grass. Like it's just so appreciative, and like this. But anyways, we're gonna take a picture of this photo taken, and then we're going to open it up in GPT, and we're going to insert that image into the system. And we're going to have to, I want to have the characters, all right, let me open up my, okay, I want to have the characters standing here, and like, it's a harsh shadow. All right, so that's gonna be cool. So I'm gonna tell it, please create an image of Nova and Onyx standing on this field, vast field, and they're standing looking at the viewer. The sun is behind them, and there's a harsh shadow, a dramatic shadow. This is a beautiful, dramatic, serene picture. Please make it highly detailed and with watercolor style illustration. So while this is functioning and appropriating, it's like, okay, so this is what it processed. I'm gonna already automatically just regenerate because it's not the actual character representation, but this is good. This is good. This was the second response. So what we're gonna do here, because it's still not getting the characters correctly, I'm gonna regenerate one more time, but then next thing I'm gonna tell it is to have it more full body. Okay, so this is what it did. So for some reason it's doing too much of its own thing in terms of character representation, but I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna just say, let's recall until the character's actual characteristics. Please strive to make it accurate. Make sure they're melanated as well. And in terms of the positioning, please have it full body, and please try to mimic the photograph I sent you, where it's just green grass, some trees in the background, blue skies, cloudy a little bit, and you can see the sun glowing bright. So from what it appropriated, you see that? And then from what our photographics looking like, we're getting somewhere kind of close. Like, it's just now, this is where you would, I'll be like, okay, great. Try again. I might have to leave. I don't know yet. Oh, this is cool. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Should I leave? I don't know. It's basically this dude right here. Just riding in the sun. Alright, anyways. We're about to end the video soon because I'm about to just maybe move to a different location, but okay, so it's regenerated, cool. Characters are not correct, but you get the understanding, right? It's kind of more like things is possible now. Like imagination is like.
Here is the updated full body illustration.
Yeah, it just, things can like really be placed out, you know, like, and if you just have the concept, you take it to the token, and you have a functioning system. All right, this, it was just there. Oh my God, I hope it didn't disappear because that was pretty nice. Oh my God. What just happened? Basically, the image popped up and I seen it. It was nice. It was like legit. I was like, great, ending of the video. And then it just went away. Hold on, let me try to refresh. Oh man. Wait, this is it. Cool, bruh. This is cool. This is really cool. And then let me show y'all another thing. Edit. Oops, not edit. Ooh, we could edit that? Oh my God. I don't want to mess it up though. Please edit this image slightly. Remove the trees. Adjust their clothes a little bit, but please keep the same type of style. And make sure Nova's hair is blue and orange. But let me save the image first, actually. I should save the image first. Oh my God, all right. Because two things you could do here. You could do what I'm gonna attempt to do, or we can do kind of more like you draw a brush in here and it removes it, which I mean I don't really want to do right now. So I'm gonna just try this out. Oh, it's still left it there. All right, mix some blue and orange. All right, let's see what it's gonna do. Damn, this is nice. Yeah, this is sick. And you see how we went from that to this, to this, to this. And we're about to see what's about to happen. Oh, okay. So it kind of still keeps the same frame, but damn. This could be regenerated. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's kind of impressive, I ain't gonna lie. For the concept of what we're going for, I think that's pretty good. We're gonna regenerate it though. Oops, I didn't regenerate. Or did I? Damn. I think we cracked some type of code, y'all. If y'all like up, subscribe. If y'all want to see some accurate representation of enhancing creativity and like kind of strategic implementation on how to get and do certain things, like up, subscribe, y'all. All right, this is cool. I mean, I understand that what it's doing now, and like if there's more time to be messed with it, it definitely could be enhanced. But I'm going to stick out with this one because this one really shows some character. And then so what we could do is let's try this out. So I have the little brush. I'm going to draw these trees. And I'm gonna leave the clothes the same. I'm just remove the trees. Can you please remove the trees? Can you please be polite, man? I'm saying we gotta teach. If we're gonna teach things to increase, bro, we gotta teach it manners. We gotta teach it politeness. We gotta teach it integrity and understanding of what's it called? What's that word? It starts with a C. Anyways. All right, so this is where we're gonna end the video off. If it did remove the trees, I really like that, and it did not mess up the legs. That's pretty incredible. I honestly could kind of make her hair orange right here. Oops. Damn, I don't want to cover her face though. Her eyes is kind of fucked though, but fuck it. We're gonna do this. I can't make the brush smaller. Just gonna cover her hair up. I'm gonna do the whole thing just so it can give me something different. Please make her hair blue and orange. So this is the photo. It changed the hairstyle. I don't really like that. So, but basically this is just a showcasing of just the possibilities. What I would do here next would be, let's say for example, we're gonna go back to the original. You know, I kind of like this the most anyways. And we just, you know, edit it, kind of fix it up, change it up, you know, either redraw it or just use it as a concept, or expand on it, whatever you would desire. So, yep, I appreciate y'all. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me showcase this beautiful view before I go. And Verum Artifex is out. Sheesh.